गुजरात का कैपिटल.
What is the capital of Gujarat?
Jaipur.
Is it Surat?
No, I have no idea.
अहमदाबाद.
Ahmedabad?
Ahmedabad होगा. No, Ahmedabad. Yeah, Ahmedabad.
अहमदाबाद है, गांधीनगर में से कोई है.
गांधीनगर I guess. I'm not sure. I guess either अहमदाबाद और गांधीनगर.
Ahmedabad, Surat, Vadodara, maybe इन तीनों में से कोई एक तो होगा.
I have no idea.
गांधीनगर.
गांधीनगर, हाँ.
Okay.
गुजरात.
I don't want to go there.
They are Gujju peoples.
Bad people, bad experiences.
They are very cute.
I think they are very narrow-minded about certain things, and so I didn't like it at all.
दया भाभी, स्पेशली दया भाभी.
Mostly with the people, it's not about the city. City is pretty smart, pretty clean, and very well organized.
डांडिया.
गरबा.
Food. खाना.
फूड. ढोकला. मीठा खाना.
जलेबी, फाफड़ा.
Like ढोकला और जलेबी फाफड़ा and all that we have heard. खाकरा and all.
Because the food is so delicious and they have a lot of variety in Gujarat.
People are the city of a soul, and they represent what exactly the city is. So I think the people there are a little rude.
I think Gujarat is famous for a lot of variety of food over there. So I think the food is the first thing which will come in mind if you take the name of Gujarat.
Very sweet, very welcoming and great hosts.
Quite nice.
Fun loving, kind of traditional.
It feels like home when you talk to someone from Gujarat.
Actually, I've recently visited Gujarat, Ahmedabad, and they're very sweet. You know, very welcoming. They warmly welcome you when you go there. When you introduce yourself to that place, that's really welcoming. They're very excited and crazy, and the food over there is literally tasty, amazing.
मेरे को जितने मिले हैं when I once went to a trip, देन वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग थे, गुजरात के भी थे, तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे थे, लाइक बहुत अंडरस्टैंडिंग थे.
How are boys in Gujarat?
They are okay.
I think it's fine. I mean, I have never been in such encounter with guys in Gujarat, but I think they're okay maybe.
I have no idea.
Never thought about it.
Gujarati boys, okay, they're great.
I have never met a Gujarati boy, but I hope I do because I have heard they're really sweet and everything. So yeah.
I don't know, I haven't ever been to Gujarat basically, but I know that people are very welcoming there.
They're smart.
बहुत handsome है.
Huh, handsome. Totally handsome. Wow, they are sexy. I haven't met anyone right there, but I think they'll too be nice.
Usually I don't know, but when I went there, so many people I met, they belong to Gujarat. So I think they are good. They are very good to me. They were very helping, and I was a lone traveler, so they were just helping me. And when I get hurt by the something, then they helped me a lot. Definitely.
I might. Hopefully, yes.
Yes, of course.
I did.
Why not?
Yeah, I might.
Yeah. Why not?
I'm single. I'm waiting for someone. Yeah, I would love to find out how they are. कोई भी चलेगा, दिल्ली का भी चलेगा.
I don't mind. It depends on the person to person. I cannot generalize by saying people are bad there, so the one person will be bad. But yeah, I definitely won't go to that path.
I recently broke up, so why not?
If a person is nice, then why would I mind?
बिल्कुल, just because कि I never go on looks, बट मुझे जो है जो अच्छा लगता है उनका कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा अंडरस्टैंडिंग होते हैं, तो मुझे वो चीज़ बहुत पसंद है और मुझे ऐसे ही लड़के पसंद होते हैं, तो मैं डेफिनेटली गुज्जू लोगों को चांस दूँगी.
Staying in Delhi and saying Gujarati people will kick me. Yeah, I think everyone is nice.
Tough question. But I think I will say Delhi people.
Delhi people.
दिल्ली में जो है हर एक डाइवर्सिटी है कि हर तरीके के लोग हैं, सो दिल्ली इज़ गुड एज़ कम्पेयर टू गुजरात. वहाँ का टेम्परेचर एटमॉस्फेयर भी थोड़ा इतना अच्छा नहीं है, मतलब ह्यूमिडिटी ज़्यादा होती है, तो यहाँ ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है.
I love Gujarat. I always wanted to go visit Gujarat, but I never got a chance.
So I'll say कि Gujarati people are much better because they're a mix of everything. They have everything here.
Okay, so I don't know about Delhi guys, but what I have heard, I would love to date both. Yeah, I'll try both.
But in general also I'm telling कि Gujarati people are very nice.
My answer is actually my ex was Gujarati, I'm Delhi, so Delhi people for the win. I live in Delhi. I came here on 16th only, so I am not sure about the culture and stuff, but yeah, definitely Delhi.
Because you know, you get that connection, you get that vibe. Like in Delhi, people are more, you know, बहुत ज़्यादा social नहीं होते हैं like at first. But Gujarati, if you go and if you meet first time only, they will speak to you very nicely.
Actually मैं गुजराती से मिली नहीं हूँ, तो ऐसे perception बनाना किसी के लिए मैं ऐसे बनाती नहीं हूँ perception.
Yeah, Delhi people बोल के कुछ नहीं है. First of all, you have to Delhi में everybody is migrated. Somebody is coming from some state, somebody is coming from. Though Delhi has a essence of its own city. whoever comes here, they just get into that flavor. So I think Delhi का flavor बहुत अच्छा है.
Girls.
I never met girls of Gujarat.
I think girls are a bit savages over there.
They are beautiful. They are very pretty.
गर्ल्स भी अच्छी हैं गर्ल्स तो जैसी भी हों अच्छी हैं
Again, great. My best friends are Gujaratis.
They are stylish, kind of. Yeah.
They're cute, they're hot, they're sweet.
Yeah, they're very sweet.
And girls are also fine. I told you, like, it's the experiences about how people treat you. When people don't treat you well, you don't actually go by their look. It's the treatment you get, and it's the treatment you follow and you take forward, and then you take it back home as a memories.
Girls are very beautiful, they are well dressed, and the dresses over there, wow.
It's not about how they are in looking or appearance wise. It's about their mindset mostly.
गुजरात के लोगों को क्या बोलते हैं? गुज्जूस?
Gujus.
गुजरातीज?
Gujaratis,
Gujarati?
ladies के लिए Gujaratans, Gujarati.
They are sweet.
I think they have smiling faces. They're always happy, I think.
Paisa. They're all very money minded, which is good.
Eating habits or the look or the attire, maybe.
Oh, they love jalebi and fafda. है ना, सबको पसंद होता है वो, तो उनका फेवरेट है तो वो.
Gujarati, the food stalls and Gujarati people, they are overly excited and speaking Gujarati to anyone.
They eat really good food, very healthy, because I think their cuisine is pretty healthy. So I think that's the thing I have seen, and they are like always eating and always eager about eating, and I like that.
Yes, of course I will.
Sure. Why not?
Yeah, I will. Why not?
Yeah, I'll.
Yeah, sure. Maybe if some work is calling me. Otherwise, I don't think I want to plan any trip to Gujarat to explore.
Explore. Visit the historic places. खाना.
I'll eat. The food is amazing. I'll eat.
And और जितना ज़्यादा हो सके explore करना.
I'll have वहाँ का खाना basically because I've heard कि बहुत अच्छा होता है. But the factor that बहुत मीठा होता है, that I might not like it, but I would definitely like to try.
I like to try all the food items which are famous over there, like dhokla, khandvi, and all those things. Also, I like to shop from there. The jewelries are amazing over there, and the attires. And if I get a chance to visit during Navratri, then I will for sure I'm gonna go for this dandiya and garba.
No, never. It's only if my work is calling me. Otherwise, I don't think I'm ever going to plan for Gujarat.
नहीं, vacation बना के वापस. I love Delhi.
No, I would love to go there, spend my vacation and come back.
Stay there
Stay.
I want to stay over there, settle down over there.
just for a vacation, and I'll come back. Gujarati.
Gujarati?
Gujarati.
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 Like I can just ask you, hi, કેમ છો?
હું તને મારીશ.
મજામાં?
It means I'll hit you.
કેમ છો?
केम छो मजामा छे. Something like that. केम छो मजामा.
केम छो मजा में, ये हर किसी से पूछ लेते हैं.
I don't know. यार एक तो आप ऐसे ऐसे questions पूछ रहे हो, मेरे दिमाग में ही नहीं आ रहे हैं ऐसे.
Navratri.
Navratri.
डांडिया नवरात्रि
Garba? ये this Navratri?
नवरात्रि या.
क्या होता है वो?
I don't know.
गुजराती के फेमस है गरबा.
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 गरबा
Garba, I think.
और वो डांडिया.
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 Garba.
Dandiya.
I only know Garba.
फ्रॉक टाइप का होता है विच हैज मिरर वर्क. आई डोंट नो द नेम एग्जैक्टली.
ओके, वो चनिया चोली.
लहंगा चोली.
Chaniya choli.
Ghagra choli.
Ghagra choli.
ऐसे सूरत,
Ahmedabad, Vadodara.
अहमदाबाद,
अहमदाबाद.
गांधीनगर.
I don't know anything specific.
I thought to visit Kutch when you said about the vacation, and not really anything else I can remember right now.
Ahmedabad. There was Kakadiya Talab. I've heard about it, and it was really nice. A very soothing place. And there are many mandirs and all. So they are also good pilgrimage place also. I don't remember.
None that I can think of at the moment.
The first thing that comes to mind is Tarak Mehta, Jethalal. I think he's the most famous, and over there he's most famous Gujarati actor.
तारक मेहता.
हाँ, अभी वो आता है ना तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा. उसमें वो है जेठालाल, वो गुजरात से हैं.
हाँ तारक मेहता वही मेरे दिमाग में चल ही रहा है तारक मेहता तारक मेहता तारक मेहता
Darshan Rawal. Yeah, Darshan Rawal. How can I forget him?
I have no idea.
क्योंकि वो गुजराती हैं.
चटोरे हैं
Maybe they like more sweet, that is why they are more sweeter.
क्योंकि वो थोड़ा मीठा होता है आई थिंक, और इस वजह से वो इतने स्वीट होते हैं, शायद इस वजह से.
Maybe because of some I don't have any specific, and maybe because of climatic condition, because food जो habits होती हैं वो हमारी depend करती हैं climatic conditions पे. Also maybe उनका lifestyle अभी वैसा हो गया that they prefer, because not everyone can prefer eating dhokla khandvi every day. So maybe because of their permanent lifestyle.
They are foodies basically because they are grown up like that. They have seen people eating, so they are foodies. They love to eat.
Sweet people eat sweet things.
ये तो पता नहीं, that's why they are very sweet. Might be. क्योंकि जितना मैं मिली हूँ लोगों से तो मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे हैं, जितने थे वो स्वीट हैं. हाँ, गुड लुकिंग नहीं थे बट स्वीट तो थे डेफिनेटली.
Just because the taste over there is so spicy and it is really nice. पेट भर जाता है, काफ़ी भूखे लोग रहते हैं वहाँ पे.
I think it depends on the cuisine to cuisine. Every state has a different sort of cuisine. So I think that's Gujarati people's love for their khakra, fafda and whatever they eat.
But please दाल में चीनी मत डालो.
They want to become a sweet people but they are not. I think that's why they do so much of hard work.
I think so. Smart होते हैं business में.
हाँ, they are very business minded, which is very nice.
It's something that people usually say कि गुजराती मारवाड़ी ये सारे बड़े money minded होते हैं.
Yeah, it is true. The people, the ancestors of them are also business minded. तो चलती आ रही है प्रथा एक kind of.
Yeah, because like everyone mostly there has a family business जो बहुत अच्छे से चल रहा होता है. So maybe that.
हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत है because most of मतलब you'll find a lot of merchants there in Gujarat, like because there is a lot of raw silk made and there's a lot of production going on. So I think that's why maybe.
Because basically the main occupation they follow is business. So they are just grown up like that. Their mind are working like that they have to do business, earn money.
क्योंकि शुरू से शायद माइट भी उनको ऐसे ही, क्योंकि वो मोस्टली जो है वहाँ पे गुजराती बिजनेस वाले ही होते हैं. ये बात सच है, मनी माइंडेड होते हैं और वो इसी में लिए सोचते हैं. उनकी फैमिली अपब्रिंगिंग शुरू से ऐसी ही होती होगी तो शायद माइट भी ऐसा.
Because I think they are more emphasis on earning money, and they know that from business they can earn, they can expand their business, they can earn. So I think they have a good mindset of, and the best thing is that the Gujus, like Gujarati people, they have a better plan and better ideas of taking their business to next level, so which is very nice.
Gujaratis, I'm coming over there. Please wait for me.
All the best for your future. Please come to Delhi, bring your food here and invite us there so we can come and visit.
आप लोग बहुत स्वीट हो और ऐसे ही रहो, सबकी हेल्प करो जितना हो सके.
We love you all. We love Gujaratis.
People from Gujarat love you. Yeah, you are so sweet. I visited, was very, very nice. My experience was really nice. I haven't been much, but it was Ahmedabad. It was really nice. Thank you so much.
So like I definitely like to visit Gujarat sometime, and I know that people there are very sweet. So yeah, I feel that Gujarat is a very safe state.
मैं बहुत सारे लोगों से मिली हूँ गुजरात के, एंड इवन मैं भूल गई थी कि मेरे जो पहले हम चांदनी चौक में रहती थी तो वहाँ पर भी काफ़ी एक थी गुजराती फैमिली. सो बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, बहुत वेलकमिंग होती हैं, एंड आई लव गुजरातीज़.
Hello everyone, Gujarati people are very nice. आप लोग बहुत अच्छे हो, बहुत sweet हो, and हमें जब भी मौका मिला I'm definitely gonna come Gujarat and explore. And आप लोग ऐसे ही रहना, and bye bye.
I think you people are nice, but just try to be nice more to the people who come to your city and treat them well, and just be open-minded about things.
So did you guys enjoy the video? Go and hit the like button right now. और दोस्तों अगर आपको ये वीडियो और भी ज़्यादा मतलब बहुत पसंद आई है तो लव रिएक्ट ज़रूर देना, हार्ट वाला रिएक्ट जो है ना वो ज़रूर देना. और दोस्तों अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे फेसबुक पेज को फॉलो नहीं किया तो क्या कर रहे हो यार, जल्दी से क्विक रिएक्शन टीम को फॉलो करो और हमें सपोर्ट करो, ठीक है. और नीचे कमेंट करके मुझे ये भी बता देना क्या आपको इस सवाल का करेक्ट जवाब पता था क्या नहीं पता था. कर दिया कमेंट? करो. क्या आपने आज कुछ नया सीखा तो वो भी बता देना. और मैं आप सबको मिलूंगा बहुत ही जल्द एक और मज़ेदार वीडियो के साथ. तब तक अपना ध्यान रखना. अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, गुड बाय.